TET 7th episode. First question. The third stage in the order of language development is option A, babbling stage, option B, prelingual stage, option C, language comprehension stage, option D, sound imitation stage. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D, sound imitation stage. Second question. The following is a play that is said to be the first social activity of a child with his friends. Option A, solitary play. Option B, parallel play. Option C, cooperative play. Option D, arrogant play. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, parallel play. Third question. The present performance of an individual that shows a future achievement is option A, interest. Option B, aptitude. Option C, attitude. Option D, performance. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, interest. Fourth question. One of the following is a secondary need. Option A, food. Option B, recognition. Option C, sleep. Option D, water. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, recognition. Fifth question. One of the following enhances memory. Option A, repression. Option B, disuse. Option C, interference. Option D, motivation. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D, motivation. Sixth question. There are 151 students in a primary school. As per RTE Act 2009, the number of teachers to be placed in the school. Option A, 5 primary teachers plus 1 science teacher. Option B, 4 primary teachers plus 1 language teacher. Option C, 4 primary teachers plus 1 headmaster. Option D, 5 primary teachers plus 1 head teacher. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, 5 primary teachers plus 1 head teacher. Seventh question. Middle English was the result of option A, Norman invasion. Option B, Saxon invasion. Option C, Anglo-Saxon invasion. Option D, West Saxon invasion. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Norman invasion. Eighth question. 1 billion is equal to option A, 10 millions. Option B, 100 millions. Option C, 1000 lakhs. Option D, 10,000 lakhs. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, 10,000 lakhs. Ninth question. A triangle-shaped instrument in the geometry box is called option A, protractor. Option B, compass. Option C, divider. Option D, set square. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, set square. 10th question. Mathematics is the science quantity defined by option A, Auguste Comte. Option B, Benjamin Peirce. Option C, Aristotle. Option D, Eudoxus. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Aristotle. 11th question. This aid is used in teaching geometrical concepts. Option A, grid paper. Option B, bulletin paper. Option C, geoboard. Option D, notice board. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, geoboard. 12th question. The fiber that gives pungent smell on burning. Option A, silk. Option B, wool. Option C, cotton. Option D, nylon. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, nylon. 13th question. The nearest atmospheric layer to the Earth's surface is option A, stratosphere. Option B, thermosphere. Option C, troposphere. Option D, ionosphere. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, troposphere. 14th question. The self-adjusting force is option A, static friction. Option B, sliding friction. Option C, rolling friction. Option D, fluid friction. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, static friction. 15th question. The chemical nature of metallic oxide is option A, acidic. Option B, basic. Option C, amphoteric. Option D, neutral. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, basic. 16th question. In a food chain, decomposers are also called as option A, producers. Option B, primary consumers. Option C, secondary consumers. Option D, recyclers. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, recyclers. 17th question. The joints between these skull bones are option A, hinge joints. Option B, pivotal joints. Option C, fixed joints. Option D, ball and socket joints. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, fixed joints. 18th question. Earthworm breathes through its option A, lungs like sacs. Option B, whole body surface. Option C, trachea. Option D, network of respiratory tubes. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, whole body surface. 19th question. For free medical and health suggestions, government provided a phone number. It is option A, 108. Option B, 104. Option C, 1098. Option D, 100. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, 104. 20th question. The person responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Option A, General Dyer. Option B, Lord Ripon. Option C, Lord Curzon. Option D, Lord Lytton. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, General Dyer. 21st question. River Nile joins in the sea. Option A, Aral Sea. Option B, Caspian Sea. Option C, Mediterranean Sea. Option D, Black Sea. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option C. Mediterranean Sea. 22nd question. Paper industries are using this as a substitute to bamboo. Option A. Neem. Option B. 𝗧𝗏𝗶𝗺𝗲. Option C. 𝗧𝗘𝗧. Option D. Pine. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. 𝗧𝗏𝗶𝗺𝗏. 23rd question. The popular king in Gupta's dynasty. Option A. 𝗏𝗃𝗧𝗏 𝗏𝗃𝗀. Option B. Ashoka. Option C. Bindusara. Option D. Ajatasattu. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A. 𝗏𝗃𝗧𝗏 𝗏𝗃𝗀. 24th question. The largest plateau in India. Option A. Tibet Plateau. Option B. Deccan Plateau. Option C. Malwa Plateau. Option D. Chhotanagar Plateau. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. Deccan Plateau. 25th question. The trees that grow only in very cold climates and have snowfall. Option A. Teak. Option B. Mahogany. Option C. Ebony. Option D. Coniferous. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Coniferous.